Hello everyone, thanks again for joining us. My name is Rob Stringer, owner of Arizona Collision Center, and today I want to discuss what to do after you're involved in an automobile accident. You know, everybody hears from their family members, friends, co-workers, well, this is what you need to do. And we hear this stuff time and time again once you guys come into our facility, and a lot of times I have to unwind a lot of these belief systems because they're not true. First and foremost, the thing you want to do after you're involved in a collision is call the police. No matter what, you need to call the police, make sure that you have everything documented and verified. I can see time and time again where people that are involved in an accident that is not their fault, the other party basically comes back and says, oh, I know it was my fault. They don't get a police report, they don't get anything. And then once you reach out to their carrier, stories wind up changing. And then unfortunately, then you're stuck going through your own insurance company. The second most important thing that you can do is, even in the event, remember, you're involved in an accident. It's traumatic. It's not something you're going through every day. It's not something that you deal with every day. You want to make sure to understand that you could possibly be injured and you are going to have consequences a day, 2 days later, maybe even a week later, that you didn't feel at the scene when your adrenaline's at its all-time high. So the biggest thing you want to do is, if you're involved in an accident, again, that's not your fault, and you have any question of any injuries, you want to go get checked out. Go to urgent care, go to the hospital, make sure you're checked out, make sure that you got stuff documented to help cover yourself for the future. Behold, the next thing you want to do is not go calling every insurance company telling them what's going on, because trust me, they know the right questions to ask and they know what to do to get you kind of backed into a corner that they can use against you later. Third thing you want to do after getting checked out is contact an attorney. If you need help figuring out a good attorney to use, please feel free to give us a call and I will make sure to guide you down the right direction. I've been in this state my entire life. I've been in this industry over 20 years. I've networked with tons of chiropractors and primary care physicians, attorneys and stuff. I can get you to the right people. So please get help right off the bat. There's a lot of things that you guys have available to you that you will never know if you don't contact an attorney. Again, I'm not a sue happy person. That's not what I want to do. But trust me, knowing that you're being represented, it's going to be beneficial to you. The insurance company's got plenty of attorneys that back them, so make sure that you're guided as well. Don't let the insurance company guide you. Don't let the insurance company take your vehicle to one of their direct repair shops. Don't let them make it seem so convenient to where you can't say no about, oh, we'll have a rental car at this facility ready to go for you. Guess what? So do I. Well, we're just going to take the vehicle out of the tow yard to a storage-free facility. Well, guess what? Most of the time that storage-free facility is either a direct repair shop contracted by the insurance company, which has their financial vested interest in mind, not yours, or they're going to send it out to the auto auction where they're going to pile up your vehicle with 20, 30,000 other vehicles and a 6-digit little tag number, and now they're in control of the entire thing. So don't do that. Contact us right away. Let's get your vehicle towed to our shop. It'll be no expense to you. We'll get the vehicle here. We'll fully document the repairs and we will fully help you assist every aspect of that claim. Again, thank you for joining us today. My name is Rob Stringer, owner of Arizona Collision Center.